Your business is tying
it forward.
Tying it forward.
Like paying it forward.
Yep.
And I make winch and tow straps for the ATV world. Dog leashes, key tethers, lots of friendship bracelets for the kids, handlebar grab straps for
Awesome.
ATVs.
You had an interesting story you told me of how you got into the business.
Yeah, Brad, the service manager here at Energy POWERSPORTS, I was working on a Arnold Schwarzenegger movie out in the middle of nowhere in Milton, and Brad was walking by with his dog and told me about, I was making a leash at the time, and he told me about the ATV world and people making winch and tow straps out of just paracord. And I looked on a website and the pictures and taught myself how to make them, and now tying it forward's a legitimate business this year here in Canada.
And it came right around forward, and he's back at Energy POWERSPORTS selling his wares.
It's been a big circle in a year and a half to go from meeting him doing nothing, and now I've got a viable business and some great folks to work with. So.
That's great. Now, we've talked about tow cords, paracord-based tow cords on our show before, and what you're doing is a little bit different. What's different about your paracords over others?
Yeah, some of my competitors are using just paracord, and they'll wrap loops around the hardware to make a core that's strong enough to pull an ATV out. And what I did is I started using winch line, synthetic rope winch line, in the sizes that they need for the winch and tow straps, and then I tie over the top of them with my paracord and make them look nice.
So they're super strong. And what kind of strength are we getting out of these things?
Yeah, so I've had 2 of these broken at over 15,000 pounds.
Wow.
From Afraid Not Ropes. They have a machine that will just break these, and both were over 15,000 pounds. So we're saying over 14,500 pounds.
You're safe to pull. That's wild, and that's a pretty aggressive claim.
Yeah.
That's really
And
good.
I offer a one-time free wheelie guarantee, so if you pop a wheelie and tear up your tow strap, I'll make you a new one, but one time only.
I love that. Well, he's down here at Energy POWERSPORTS all day, so make sure you pop down and say hi and check out some of his handmade products.
Well, thanks
Pretty
for stopping
awesome.
by.
No, thank you. I appreciate it.